ECM multi-speed blower motors can be tricky, but knowing how to test if the motor windings are still good is key to avoiding costly mistakes. So first off, make sure the power is totally off before you touch anything that's super important. Grab your ohmmeter and check the resistance between each winding. They should all show about the same resistance number. If one winding reads way different than the others, that's a red flag right there. Also, test for continuity between each winding and the motor's ground. If you get any reading here, it means there's a short and the motor's toast. Remember, no continuity to ground means the insulation inside the motor windings is still good. If everything checks out, the problem likely lies in the module, not the motor itself. Don't forget to double-check your meter settings and test leads so you're getting accurate readings. Taking these steps saves you from swapping parts unnecessarily and wasting time and money. One of the biggest mistakes when troubleshooting ECM blower motors is not turning off the power first, which can be dangerous and mess up your multimeter readings. Another common issue is mixing up the windings' resistance values. If you don't compare them carefully, you might miss a bad winding. Lastly, people often forget to check for continuity to ground. Skipping this step can mean overlooking a shorted motor that needs replacing. To fix these, always power down before testing, write down each resistance measurement to compare, and include the ground continuity test in your routine. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with HVAC systems like these. Contractors also get a boost by connecting with real customers looking for reliable help right in their neighborhood.